welcome back. Today we're gonna make Buldak, and it's gonna be like the spicy challenge. But this one's supposedly supposed to be like less spice, I guess. So we got the what flavor is it? We got carbonara bulldog. Yeah, we got the carbonara bulldog. And carbonara is like a cream-based thing. Kind of like cheese. Yeah, so we're super excited to try it, but then also scared. So, yeah. Let's open it. Okay. We're gonna open it. I hope it's not crushed because we don't like crushed noodles. Ooh, it's not crushed. I thought it was crushed because it's like really flat. We got the noodles. I'm just gonna put that to the side right there. We got the sauce. This sauce is gonna make everything spicy. And of course we have the cheese powder everywhere. The cheese powder. And then this is the cheese powder because like on YouTube they said it was the cheese. And there's like extra noodles in here. Yeah, there's got some extra. We're just gonna put this on top. Yeah. So that's what we got. Do you want me to show you? Also gonna be needing a big bowl to stir up the stir fry. Now we're gonna put in the noodles into the boiling water that's boiling. And you're also gonna like mix it a little bit. You're just gonna like kind of just dunk it. Yeah. So you're just gonna like leave this there for a little bit until it'll start to separate. You're just gonna think there's really less, but then it's separating. See that? So yeah. Now we're gonna drain up the noodles. And like, kids, be safe. My mom is doing this for me. So, drain out all the water. You're gonna have to drain out all the water. Yep, we're just gonna let that just So yeah, we just got the noodles drained out by our mom, and now my sister's gonna do something. Now we're about to add the cheese powder and the sauce, but be very careful with the sauce. So kind of like the condiments for the plain noodles. This is actually a lot, so my mom and I are gonna try it. I hope it's not like so spicy. We're just gonna like add half of it, like not like too much, because we've tried the other flavors and they're spicy, like so spicy. So we never tried this one, so we're gonna try it. Guys, we're back. And now we're gonna be adding the sauce and cheese powder. So my sister's gonna go first and add the cheese powder. So this cheese powder is what makes it more less. They gave us a lot of this. Like add less spicy, not whole thing. The whole thing. Add the whole thing. That's how it looks. Kind of does look like cheese powder. Can I smell it? Kind of smells good. Kind of doesn't smell good. It smells like cheese. So we've added all of the cheese powder, as you can see. It smells pretty good. It smells like parsley. That's what it seems like there is parsley in there, but like, time to add the sauce, guys. Be very careful. Just don't put your fingers in. And do not lick it if you get it on your hands. Like really spicy and like really spicy. Caution, guys, caution. Ooh, that's like already so red. I'm so scared. Add half of it. So scared. Half. I'm so scared. I am so scared what's gonna happen today because I don't want a tummy ache like last time because it smells so strong. It smells so spicy. That's red. That is red like that's like blood red. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is a lot. Okay. I'm just gonna try it. I'm literally my mouth's watering. That looks like blood. Just add tiny bit, a little bit more, a little. We're just gonna mix it and then we're gonna see it. So we're gonna mix it with chopsticks. So I'm gonna go get it. Couldn't find the chopsticks, but we got this really big spoon.
Fork.
Yeah, yours. That's all you added when you have that much sauce. It's spilling everywhere, so we had to put a packet over it. So yeah, it's crazy. Sister is laughing like a weirdo. I'm so scared. It's like red still. This sauce literally takes a long. Wait, guys, I'm scared. My sister's weird. That does not look like enough sauce to me. That looks like pale, like you said. I'm just add a little bit more. Wait, guys, they're just gonna be cheese flavored. I'm gonna try it first because I'm scared. I want to. That does not look good. What you think? What about that? Looks disgusting. That does not look good. This looks good. Nuh-uh. It looks like the cream carbonara. This one's just the carbonara. The cream one looks exactly the same as this. I wash my hands. If you are not a spice girl or spice girl, you can add more. I'm gonna ask my sister to go over the spoon because it's like leaking out. It's sweet. It's leaking. It's leaking. Go. Got some more sauce. If y'all see it, and I'm gonna put it in. I think that's good. I'm scared. That's good. It's not so spicy today. But I am sweating a little bit because it's like hot in here. Or okay, guys, I'm gonna try it right now. We're gonna be back. Go give my mom a piece, but we're gonna try it. Otherwise, if it gets thick. That's actually really good. Not so spicy. It's really good. Yummy! My sister tried it and it's actually really good. Bye! A little bit of sauce because it's kind of just a little bit cheesy, but like I added more. Let's try it now. No, I haven't mixed it. She is hungry. I'm hungry. Guys, we just got our noodles and we just like to eat it little by little because like we don't like to eat the whole thing. And it's tastier this time. Really tasty. My mom thinks it's okay, but I love it. Yeah, we love it. So like yeah, you can add toppings to this, but like we're cheese, like mushrooms, anything you want, but like we're okay right now. We're fine. So yeah. It's all just creamy enough. Yeah. Bye. Bye. See you guys in the next cooking video. Bye. #SciSisters.